Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome. Thank you for joining me today. I really do appreciate it. So today, finally guys, we're doing the Too Faced chocolate bar pan that palette update. I would have had more progress if I'd stuck with it for the last 2 months, but obviously that would have been boring, and you know how I like to test new palettes that come into the collection. So yeah, that's what I've been doing, and I've been using the Too Faced chocolate bar when I can. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put February's last update, because that's when I did my last update, and I said that I would do it every 2 to 3 months, so obviously this is May's update. I did want to do it in April, but I didn't feel like I had enough progress, so we're doing it today. And I did want to do it a lot sooner, but I had a few singles and I thought, why not do some easy one and done eyeshadow looks with these particular singles and use your Too Faced chocolate bar to get some more use and hopefully hit more progress, and that's what we've done. So yeah, it's my oldest palette in my collection without a shadow of a doubt. Not the oldest, but one of the oldest, and this is what we're looking like. I won't drag it on any further, but look at white chocolate. Look at that. That has got such a huge dip in it. And then I didn't even realise I was close to hitting pan with the salted caramel shading. Look at that now. I'm really happy with the progress. So today I've used this shade here. So today I've also got the creme brulee on my lids. It's not one of the eyeshadows that I'm panning, but it's got such a great big dip in it. I would love to see pan on that, but the focus is definitely salted caramel and white chocolate. I've also got the champagne truffle on my inner corners. I've got semi-sweet on the outer V, and also I've got it on the lash line. So I've used quite a few of these shades today, and that's because I used a Steely Glitter and Glow to do an easy one and done eyeshadow look. You will see it eventually, but probably not for a couple of weeks. And it was so lackluster, guys. I mean, you might be able to see some sparkle. I don't know if you can. So what I did is put one layer of the Steely Glitter and Glow. I noticed that there was no way I could build that pigment up because it's more of a glitter topper, so I went in with a similar shade, which is this one, creme brulee, and then tapped that onto the lids, and then tapped another layer of the Steely Glitter and Glow. I think it was in the shade Eternal. It's just so lackluster. Yeah, it's definitely a glitter topper. Like I said, you will see it soon. But yeah, this concludes the update really. I know it's not the most progress that I could have made, but if I would have just been concentrating on this for even a month, I'd have far more progress probably. But I'm happy with the progress. Like I said, I'll put February's in the cards section, and you'll see how much more progress I've made since then. If you want to go and watch February's update, you will see that I have made some progress. So any progress is better than no progress. So yeah, I'm really enjoying the progress that I have made, and I'll continue to use this. So this Pan That Palette project is going to be run from, it's being run from January to January 2022. So I have got a bit of time. I would ideally like to have both these shadows out in 2022, and I think next year what I'm going to do is I'll probably just concentrate on using one of the eyeshadows from here and choosing some other eyeshadow palettes, some other older eyeshadow palettes to use one eyeshadow. I see quite a lot of people do that on YouTube. They have like 5 or 6 palettes and they choose one shade from each to focus on rather than one palette. So yeah, I think I'll do that. So yeah, that's the idea that I've got running around in my head at the minute. It might not happen. I might just decide to concentrate on this a little bit more, or concentrate on this for 6 months and then bring in something else. I don't actually know yet. I don't know if I'm going to do the 22 in 22 next year. I think I'm just going to do a different project, like project 10 uses or project 100 uses. Just something different, because I've done it 2 years now on the go, and I just want a bit of variation. So yeah, this concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, it really does help out the channel. Share and comment, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.